Hello everyone, I'm Saksham Sharma back with the updates on TCS Ignite and smart hiring queries that we have got in our video that we uploaded on 28th August. So in this video, I will be answering all the queries. So before we move on, just to update all the viewers that we have launched a new course on Python and SQL both, and the course has been designed by Abhishek Mishra, which is one of the industry expert and former TCS interview panel as well. And the course has been designed in a way that anyone with no prior coding knowledge, who doesn't know anything about coding, can also understand this. Python and SQL are the most sought skill as of now, and anybody who is joining an IT company should have this idea. This course has been designed to crack the placements, both written round and interview, and it has separate uh, a module on the interview questions both for Python and SQL. So if you are interested, then you can take up this course. The link of the same is given in the description box. We are offering it at a very economical price of just 7.99, and then you can also learn it from the mobile app of CareerKunj, which is available both on App Store and Google Play. Okay, so do refer to this course if you are interested to build your expertise into Python and SQL from Abhishek Mishra. All right, so let's take up the comments one by one. Sir, my professional degree certificate got rejected. The reason for the rejection mentioned in the mail is career break affidavit, but I don't have any career gaps. What should I do? In the BGC form, my course duration is from October to June, which is not readable, but in the provision it's August, so they are asking for that reason. I am unable to understand why they are asking. So basically, the career gap affidavit is something you need to provide when there is a gap of more than 6 months. So just see if gap of 6 months is coming anywhere because of this, and then maybe sometimes when there is a finish of one course and start of new course, there is some gap also because of which again the gap is created. But if you have the query, you can write them in the comment section where they have given rejected it, or you can write a mail to them that where exactly you see the career gap and for which period you have to make the career gap. So nothing to be worried about here. Just if you can communicate with them over email, write to them to understand which gap they are referring to. Okay, or if you see any gap from your own side of more than 6 months, make an affidavit and submit it. They will approve it. Okay. Next, I have done my exam on July 16, but still didn't get any update. TCS gives sometimes update even after 2 months. So if you have not got the update yet, you can wait for some more time. Okay, because the last option is that you are not selected. But yeah, we have seen students getting the selection mail after 2 months as well. So you can wait and hope for the selection. So please give a expected time of smart joining. So joinings are coming for the students, and joining is happening in batches. So different batches are getting joining. So they keep a you know minimum time of onboarding between two batches, and that is around 1 month or so. So you have to wait for your batch joining to come. Next, sir, they did not give joining letter who received offer on June. But again, why TCS is hiring another batch, we are not understanding. And do you have any info about why we get joining who received offer letter in June? Is there any chance of taking us in September quarter? High possibility. See, TCS does hiring throughout the year, and then they always need freshers. Freshers are their major workforce, so it could be a possibility that joining of one batch is due, and they might have rolled out the notification of new hiring because they want freshers, and from the time they do the interviews and roll out the notification of hiring, the complete process takes around 4 to 5 months. So they always plan for it in advance, and that is why they keep on hiring. Don't worry, joining happen in batches, and you know uh, there is a minimum time of 1 month or so, after which the next batch joining comes. So wait for the minimum time, okay, and you will also get your joining. Next, sir, I attended my interview on July 10th in Chennai, but I still haven't received any update. The portal show candidate batch and the application has disappeared from the website. I also wrote a mail to TCS and they replied, we are still evaluating your application. Your result will be sent shortly to your email ID or placement cell. Do I still have a chance or will I get rejected? No, basically the response that you have got or automatically shows that you are under evaluation, and my experience says that only those students get this type of response who has cleared the interview and only waiting for the final result. So what I understand is your there are high chances that you will get the selection mail. Okay, so wait for that positively. Got offer letter 11 June for smart. When can I expect joining? um, Joining is happening in batches, as I said, so you have to wait and watch for it. Sir, is there any eyesight range in TCS? No, they will take a medical certificate from you, and they will check where they will you have to mention what is your eyesight range. But usually people in IT have eyesight problems. But as long as it is not a big issue that affects your work, it is fine and should not be a problem in the onboarding. Next, any update on TCS NQT? No, there is no update from TCS side on TCS NQT results. It is long awaited now, and I think they should release it soon. But there has been no update from TCS side. Sir, in our university, provisional degree send my email soft copy, so it is fine. There is need for hard copy at joining time. Receive provisional degree through email. It is fine if you submit a soft copy. I think it should not be a problem. So next step portal, it is mentioned that candidate who lives in Mumbai, Thane and Pune have to submit a CID for character verification. Is it compulsory for all candidates who lives in Thane? If yes, then what is the process to make it? So basically, if they have written, it is compulsory. If they candidates from Mumbai, Thane and Pune have to submit it, then definitely if somebody is in Thane, they have to do it. If yes, what is the process to make it? When you will get your joining mail, you will get all the details in that. So I'm sure there must be detail about this as well. So wait for your joining mail to come. TCS and QT results I already answered. There are no update from TCS side about it. Sir, I have received a document verification on mail on 6th August, but at that time I did not have a soft copy of my 6th and mark sheet. Later on 25 August, I got a call from HR asking me to urgently send it. So I sent them my 6th and mark sheet. After that, I called them on 20th August regarding offer letter, and they told me that they forwarded it and would call me back. But till now, I haven't received any response or offer letter. Should I keep waiting or should I assume that I won't be getting it because many of my friends have received their offer letter and joining? You should definitely wait because the kind of response you have got, it shows that you have cleared the interview and they have taken all your documents and they have find it good and they have forwarded it. So they forward it to the corporate team, and once they get the go ahead from the corporate team, they issue the results, they issue the selection mails. So the kind of reply you have got, that means you are close to the selection mail, is what believe. Okay, so very high chances that you will get the selection mail and offer letter. Next, so I'm not able to submit background verification document in portal. If I click on submit, it's showing please try after some time. From past 2 weeks, it's showing the same. Please tell me what to do. See, it can be a portal issue also. Sometimes portal is also not working well, or you can try it from phone, or you can try it from different device. So those are the basic troubleshooting you can do. I can see in the further comments others are also facing this issue. So maybe it's a portal issue only. But don't worry, nothing, no urgency to submit, to submit the background verification because when you will get your joining mail, you will again be asked to upload the joining letter. So nothing to worry about it. You can keep on trying after some time. Okay, next. Hi, sir. What happened if I received the offer letter 2 months back but still didn't completed a background check on the details on the person portal? See, basically, if you don't respond to TCS, then from your background check upload or any other response on the survey mail, then they might consider that you are not interested into joining. So it is important that if you are interested in joining, you should be active on completing the joining formalities. Next, search for TCS Ignite candidate. Do they provide masters? As a TCS Ignite candidate, you have an option to do masters from Shasta University, but you have to opt for that option and complete your degree. That doesn't mean that you will get your degree for sure by just because you are a TCS Ignite candidate. There's an option to do the masters MCA, but yeah, there will be definitely a process for that, for which you will be eligible, but you have to go through that process. Okay. So according to application process, I was batched on 2nd of July and my interview was on 5th of July, and I got my offer at around 14th of August. So is there any chance to getting joining on 17th of September? Because many of them didn't in September give interview with me. No. So basically joining happens in batches, and not everybody from the same interview date or same college can get the joining on same time, because it happens in batches. So it may come or it may not come, and at least they gives 2 weeks heads up, before the joining date. So you would be intimated 2 weeks before if your joining is about to come. So just wait and watch. If it doesn't come this time, it will come in the next batch. Okay. So I was uploading documents for BGC, but for SEM2 mark sheet wasn't clear, so I deleted that file and tried to add it again. But now it says that I've already added document for that column and I have not yet submitted a document. No problem, it's fine, you proceed. If it is an issue, if they cannot see the mark sheet clearly, they will again ask you to upload it, and that is where you can upload them again. So don't worry, it's okay, you proceed. And if they are not able to read it, they will again ask you, and that is where you can share them again. Joining happening in batches, just wait and watch the joining dates. Okay, so the interview, if you have not got the results, so we have seen the results have came even after 2 months, so you can accordingly wait. सर मैंने मेल किया था 2 बार पर रिक्रूटर को, पर उन्होंने रिप्लाई नहीं दिया है। पहला मैंने 10 अगस्त को किया था, दूसरा 19 को। वहाँ से भी कोई रिप्लाई नहीं आया है। सो व्हाट इज़ योर क्वेरी? रिप्लाई किस चीज़ का चाहिए? ऑफर लेटर का चाहिए कि जॉइनिंग का चाहिए? ओके, get me the query. And the recruiters doesn't pick up the call, they don't reply because they deal with so many candidates. So there are less chances that they will reply. So what if I won't submit BGC before joining due to unavailability of my bona fide professional degree certificate? Will they reschedule my joining or terminate me? I gave my Ignite joining. Okay, don't worry. You can upload, if you don't have bona fide, even the final SEM mark sheet, consolidated mark sheet will do the job. So you can upload that. Nothing to worry about it. And if possible, go to your college and ask them to give a bona fide letter, which is basically just a letter saying that you have completed your course on the letterhead of the college, and that is the bona fide. And many times they also accept the consolidated mark sheet as well. Okay, bro, I attended. Uh, I think I have already answered you that one. Okay, so we have covered all the comments. Thank you so much. If you have any more queries, let us know in the comment section. And I wish you get your joining and offer letter as soon as possible. Thank you.